frigid dusk, but do full thing. Yay, because last time it didn't work. Let's do it, let's do it. Yo, that looks curved, bro. What? What? Oh, let me try to get. Yo, what the hell? Oh god. I think I found my title screen thingy. I think I found it. Speed running through this because I want you guys to see all of this. Charlie Ranger. I don't really care. Can you close the door? Get the chair out. No, it isn't. Dang it. Yeah. Okay. I'm sure. Please refrain from trying to kill me. Oh no. Oh shitting. Okay. It's just me. As soon as this is done, I'm buying the chocolate. We're back here. Gotta do the hardest part first. want the money. Give me the money. Please.
I want the money.
Give me the money. No, no, stop. What the hell? Excuse me. Finally. Holy. No. Money. I want dollar bills. Yes. 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 Okay. I got enough money to buy the trumpet. Let me in. Let me in. Alright. I don't care. I played this game before. I've played all of this before. No. 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 We're gonna need this right here. Got that. Coins. No. No. Okay. Nah. Okay. I am not taking this seriously, and I know it. gotta loot this place real quick. Don't mind me. Can I get out here? I can. Okay, I'm gonna go back inside. I wanna see what's in there. No. Bottom one. Okay, bear. And we're off. Straight beeline. Both of these places because I need money. I am. Ooh. Oh, he's gonna. Oh. Why is everything squished, bro? Nice. Nah. Okay, hardest part, let's do it. Okay, this part's gonna be. Yeah. I want to see if I can break that one now. Oi, clanker. What you doing there? You know I'm not afraid of you. I've played these games before. Look at Get a Rush because this part's like kind of scary. Yeah, get it over with. Get it over with, bro. Yes. Go back. Loop again. Okay, coming over here. Run shout. Oh, that's gonna get me, bro. Go. Yes. Give it to me. I beat you. You idiot. I didn't even hear him come at me, bro. I did that solo. It's supposed to be like hard on solo, bro. Gotta go through now. Yeah.
Oh no! Oh no!
Oh yeah. Let me see if I can loot this part, actually. I don't know. I never tried. Oh, I can. Better have money. Yeah, that's what I thought. just do a straight beeline. He may be fast, but I'm faster. Even though he sounded like a giant drill. I'm doing this right in the morning when I woke up. By the way. Oh, shit, dude. Up. Yes, yes, sir. We're gonna go up here, make that jump, then we're gonna jump here, then we're gonna come over here, just so we don't die to a fan. I'm not gonna just spend time, yeah, that was much faster from what I usually do. I just try to spam the button. Yeah, that's what I thought. We don't have to crouch here. Yeah, I don't care. Yep, nothing as expected. What the in the Mario was that, bro? I did not even mean to do that. You would have seen me trying to do that if the button, I think it was like crouching, bro. Jump, 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 jump. Come to here.
Get out the way! Cone?
Run. Hell yeah. Anything else I can take? No. Can you leave now? Okay. Yeah, I know. Good day. Ooh, more money. Yeah, I gotta look for this place. Very thorough. Yes. Yes. No. No. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes. Yes.
Alright guys, let's get some water. You gotta stay hydrated, kids.
But we're just, I know what? Let me through. Oh, can't wait to do that again. I don't know why I saw it like that. That was weird. Let's give our machine drill some. There we go. Oh no. I'm a parkour pro. Oh no, I'm a failure. Yeah. I think I'm like the first person to like do a video of the updated frigid dusk. I don't know. Hey, upgrade my keycard, clanker. I have to call you that at least once in my playthrough. Give it to me.
Those the top part. They made it difficult to promote. So hopefully, the next upgrade is easier.
Okay. He's here to touch me. He's touching me. I don't want him to touching me. Okay. Let me think. I hate the thing above there. If you saw the first video, you know. Coming through. I'm coming through now. Oh, originally I thought it was. Okay. I don't care about you. See, I'm good at driving, guys. Oh my god. No. Get away from the door! Get off the screen! Get out! Get out! I don't want you here! I hope you die! I don't know, breaking glass? Okay. Why would there be a glass breaking noise? Well, I probably wouldn't have heard it. I could jump to that, right? He'll never know what's coming. This could probably come through here. He didn't even come. Music to my ears. Actually, I'm gonna come back here to see what that door opens to when I upgrade my key card.
Hey, I got the thing you wanted. Hi.
Yeah, I played this game before. Okay, power off. We gotta go in here. Oh yeah.
Yeah, I know what to do.
Instructions: connect all the tiles. Hey, it wasn't done. Oh, I could do it off. There we go. Can I park for it from here? If I could just jump off. What if I just jump? I'm speed running now. Dude. Boom. What's down here? Oh. Okay. It's you. I hope you die. I hope you die. You deserve it. You deserve it. I hate that Jolly Rancher. I need to see delicious. Fresh meat.
Look at the meat.
Yeah. Yes. Give it now. Alright, guys. Before we beat the game, we're gonna see what's in the other one. How are you still alive? I thought your head got taken off. Instead of going in there, we're going in here. Gonna check what the red one does in that room. I think there's a secret. Personally, I think there is. I don't know. So we're checking.
It's all so hard.
It's just from here to here to here to here. Okay, this door should open now. Excuse me. This room is strangely dark and I don't like it. What is down here? Nothing. Nothing. Okay, so I'm safe here. So they just added this room for nothing, basically? Wow, that was a waste of time. I do not like that sound I'm getting out of there. Okay, let's go beat the game now. Guys, you'll never guess how the ending looks. You'll never guess. You'll never guess. Wall! Okay, just play the trumpet. No. Hey, I want the trumpet. To save her. Yo. Yeah. I don't know any codes. I hate this chapter. Well, part of the chapter. It's weird. This part obviously is old. Not canon anymore. So guys. Thanks for watching the video. Yeah.